I'm going to show you how to start the game in YAPYAP. So first you want to open up the game and press the play button, and then you will load in into the lobby map, which is this one here. Now, after you invite your friends from this room by interacting with this orb, you want to go back to the outside right here. Now, in this spot, you should find an orb in this statue here. And if all your friends are ready, you can just go here and interact with it by E, and it will activate and start a countdown of 10 seconds. And then it should teleport you to the game map. Now, once you load in the game map, you can start playing. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.